roots of unity. So here the nth roots of unity are nothing but the 1 omega, omega square and so on omega power n minus 1, where omega is equal to cis 2 pi by n. Now this is the formula, nth roots of unity. These are taken as the 1 omega, omega square and so on omega power n minus 1. So nth roots of unity means which is nothing but 1 power 1 by n. Nth roots of unity, unity means 1. Nth roots of unity is equals to the values are 1 omega, omega square and so on omega power n minus 1. Here where omega is equals to cis of 2 pi by n. Now we want the values of the cube roots of unity, that is cube roots of unity means 1 power 1 by 3. Cube roots of unity, cube root means 1 by 3, cube roots of unity, that is 1. 1 power 1 by 3 is equals to, now the difference between these two values is here in place of n we have 3, that is in these values in place of n we replace 3. 3 minus 1, that is 2. So the cube roots is equals to 1 omega, omega square. These are the only cube roots of unity, where here also we take omega is equals to 2 cis of 2 pi by n, but n is equal to 3 here, that is omega is equals to cis of 2 pi by 3. So cube roots of unity are nothing but 1 omega, omega square, where the omega value is equal to cis of 2 by 3. Now we are proving this result in the actual processor, that is, so first I am taking the value 1 power 1 by 3. So 1 power 1 by 3 is equals to, in place of 1 I take the value cos 0 plus I sin 0. So cos 0 plus I sin 0. What is cos 0? Cos 0 is equal to 1 and sin 0 is equal to 0. 1 plus 0, that is 1. So in place of 1 we replace the value cos 0 plus I sin 0 power 1 by 3. Now cos 0 plus I sin 0 is nothing but cis of 0. Cis of 0 power 1 by 3. Now we are finding all values to this expression. So all values of cis of 0 power 1 by 3 r is equals to cis of, the formula is 2k pi plus theta by n, that is cis of 2k pi plus theta, where theta is equal to 0 by n, where n is equal to 3. Here the values of k is equals to, we are taking the values of k up to n minus 1. Here n is equal to 3, n minus 1 2. So we are taking the values up to 2, that is 0 1 2. We start the values from 0 and we are taking the values up to n minus 1. So the values of k is equal to 0 1 2. Now replacing the values one by one in that answer. So first value cis of k is equal to 0. When we take k is equal to 0, then what it returns? Cis of 0. And when we take k is equals to 1, then what that returns? 2 pi by 3. And when we take k is equal to 2, then what it returns? 4 pi by 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 pi plus 0. 4 pi by 3. So these are nothing but the cube roots of unity. Cis 0. Cis 0 is nothing but cos 0 plus I sin 0. Cos 0 is equal to 1. So the values are 1 cis pi by 3 and cis 4 pi by 3. Now these are the values of the cube roots of unity. So here also we have the same answer, where here cis 2 pi by 3 is nothing but omega 2 pi by 3. Cis 2 pi by 3 means that is taken as omega, and omega square is equals to cis 2 pi by 3 whole square. Cis 2 pi by 3 whole square is equals to cis 4 pi by 3, that is cis theta whole power n is equal to cis n theta, 2 into 2 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3. So cis of 4 pi by 3 means in place of this value we can take omega square. Therefore the cube roots of unity is equals to 1 omega, omega square, and cube roots of unity is equals to 1 omega, omega square, where omega is equal to cis 2 pi by 3. Roots of unity. So here 1 omega, omega square are the cube roots of unity, where omega is equal to cis 2 pi by 3. Now these are the most important results which are related to cube roots of unity. The first formula is 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. And the second result, omega cube is equal to 1. And the third result, omega is equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. And the last result, omega square is equal to minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Now we are proving all these results one by one. So first we are proving that omega is equals to minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. So here already we know that omega is equal to cis 2 pi by 3. So omega is equals to cis 2 pi by 3. Cis 2 pi by 3 means this is nothing but cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. And cos 2 pi by 3 value cos 2 pi by 3. Cos 2 into 60, 120. Cos 180 minus 60, second quadrant, minus cos 60. That is minus 1 by 2. plus I into sine 120. Sine 180 minus 60, second quadrant, sine positives, that is sine 60, root 3 by 2. Now this is equals to minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. So omega is equals to minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. That is omega is equals to minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. That is the first result. Next, coming to the second result, omega square. Omega square is equals to cis 2 pi by 3 whole square. So cis 2 pi by 3 whole square is equals to cis n theta, that is cis 4 pi by 3. 2 into 2 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3. Now this is equals to cos 4 pi by 3 plus I sin 4 pi by 3, and this is equals to cos 4 pi by 3, 4 into 60, 240. 240 is equal to 180 plus 60. 180 plus 60, third quadrant, cos negative minus cos 60. That is minus cos 60 minus 1 by 2 plus I into sin 240. Sin 240 is equal to sin 180 plus 60. Again third quadrant, sin negative. So it returns the value minus root 3 by 2. That is minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2, which is the value of omega square. So omega square is equals to minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. And next result, 1 plus omega square. 1 plus omega square is equals to 1 plus omega value minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 plus omega square value minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Now taking 2 LCM here, 2 into 1. 2 minus 1 plus I root 3 minus 1 minus I root 3. That is, here these two are cancelled. 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2, 0 by 2 equal to 0. Therefore, the value of 1 plus omega square is equals to 0, which is the third result. Now coming to the last one, omega cube is equals to 1. Omega cube is equals to 1 means, omega cube means this is taken as omega into omega square, and this is omega value minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 into omega square value minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Applying the formula a plus b into a minus b, a square minus 1 whole square 1 minus b square minus I square root 3, that is plus 3 by 2 2s are 4, 4 by 4 equals to 1. Therefore, the value of omega cube is equals to 1, which is the last result. Now, these are all the very important results. Here 1 omega square are the cube roots of unity, where omega is equal to cis 2 pi by 3 in this case. And here the most important formula is 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. And the second one, omega cube is equal to 1. And in place of minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2, we take omega. We can take omega. And in place of minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2, we can take omega square. That's all. All the roots of the equation x power 11 minus x power 7 plus x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. So given first, find all the roots of this equation. We have to find all the roots to that equation. So here first we are writing the given equation. Given equation is x power 11 minus x power 7 plus x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. First we are writing the given equation, and from the first and second terms we take x power 7 common, since x power 7 is a common in these two terms, which implies x power 7 into x power 4 minus 1 plus taking 1 common here from the remaining two terms, 1 into x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. That is, again taking x power 4 minus 1 common, x power 4 minus 1 into x power 7 plus 1 equal to 0, which implies x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0, and the second equation x power 7 plus 1 equal to 0. Now we are solving these two equations to get the required roots. First equation is x power 4 minus 1 equals to 0. So x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0 means x power 4 is equals to 1. Now applying power 1 by 4 on both sides, then we get x is equals to 1 power 1 by 4. Which implies applying power 1 by 4 on both sides to this equation, that is x power 4 power 1 by 4 is equals to 1 power 1 by 4. Means we get x is equals to 1 power 1 by 4, and that is x is equals to, in place of this one we take cos 0 plus I sin 0. Cos 0 plus I sin 0 is nothing but 1. 1 plus I into 0 becomes 1 power 1 by 4. That is, this is in the form, now this is equal to cis of 0 power 1 by 4. Now we take the all values formula here. All values formula is cis 2k pi plus theta. Theta is equal to 0 by 4. N is equal to 4 here, where k is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. Here we have n is equal to 4. We take the values up to n minus 1, 4 minus 1, that is up to 3. Therefore, the values of k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we are taking the values one by one in this answer. First we take k is equal to 0. Then what it is 0 plus 0, sys 0. And the second value taking k is equals to 1, that is sys 2 pi by 4. Next taking k is equal to 2, 2 to are 4, sys 4 pi by 4. And taking k is equals to 3, 2 3 are 6, 6 pi, sys 6 pi by 4. Therefore the values are here x is equals to first root sys 0, next value sys pi by 2, 2 pi by 4, that is pi by 2, next value sys 1, and last value sys 3 pi by 2. These are the roots of the equation, roots to this equation x power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. Solving the second equation is x power 7 plus 1 equal to 0. Then x power 7 is equals to minus 1. That is x power 7 is equals to minus 1 means this is taken as cos pi plus I sin pi. Since cos pi is equal to minus 1 and sin pi is equal to 0. And this is equals to cis pi. So x power 7 is equal to cis pi, which implies applying power 1 by 7, x power 7 power 1 by 7 is equals to cis pi whole power 1 by 7. That is the value of x is equals to cis pi power 1 by 7. Now this is in the form of cis theta power 1 by n. Now taking all values formula, that is x is equal to cis 2k pi plus theta. Theta is equals to pi by n. N is equal to 7. Where k is equals to 0, 1, 2 and so on 6. N minus 1. N is equal to 7. N minus 1 is equal to 6. So the values of k is equal to where k is equals to 0, 1, 2 and so on 6. Now replacing the values one by one. So now this is, now here x is equal to cis of taking pi common 2k plus 1 into pi by 7. Where k is equals to 0, 1, 2 and so on 6. Now replacing the values one by one here, x is equals to first taking k is equal to 0, then we get cis pi by 7. And next value taking k is equal to 1, 2 plus 1, cis 3 pi by 7. Next taking k is equal to 2, then 4 plus 1, 5 pi by 7. Next taking 3, 7 pi by 7. Next taking 4, 9 pi by 7. Next taking 5, 11 pi by 7. Next taking 6, 13 pi by 7. That's all. Therefore, all roots are, the answers in the first equation are cis 0, cis pi by 2, cis pi and cis 3 pi by 2. Now in this case the answers are here, cis pi is the common term in both of the equations. Now in this case the answers are cis pi by 7, cis 3 pi by 7, cis 5 pi by 7, cis pi, this is already repeated, this root is already repeated, cis 9 pi by 7, cis 11 pi by 7 and cis 13 pi by 7. That's all.